Check out the graffiti. Try to bring y'all a little close up. The CSX train right there. Shout out to all the graffiti riders. We're gonna train CX-17 like New Jersey. That's some dope pieces right there. Subscribe to the channel, SELT, to all the graffiti riders from all over the world. You can subscribe to the channel, SELT. Hit the like and subscribe so I can bring you more content. Right here in the CSX train by Teaneck, New Jersey, right here. Close to Voltee Park. Some dope little pieces right there. Some nice ones. We got another one right here. And you got the old trains up here. Got a couple more coming up right there. Spaz. CSX. Got a couple more tags back here. A couple more right here. Benzo. Sprone. A couple nice ones. Got a couple more back here. Right. Like that one with the character right there, look nice. Alright, cool. And you got a couple more back here. Kind of nice. WH, WHL.